Hi everyone, thank you very much for watching my video and for subscribing to my YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please click the subscribe button. The thing about Conure is they're like humans. They cannot reach the itchy spot in their back. So in the wild, see, they rely on other Conure to kind of pluck their feather in the back of their head, and it's really hard for them to scratch their back. It's like us human. We rely uh, on our spouse. I mean, I ask my wife all the time, like, hey, do you mind scratching my back? The same thing with conure. The thing is, when you only have one conure, see, they're relying on us to scratch the part in their back where they can't reach. Like right now is like Polly wants me to scratch her back right now, as you can see. Yes, Polly, yes, Polly. But you have to be careful. The thing is, sometimes they have like blood feather, which is very painful to touch. You don't want to touch their blood feather, so you have to do it really gently. And Polly is really enjoying being rubbed right now. So, yeah, look at it. And this part is really hard for her to reach. She can't really reach it. So she's like asking me to, please, daddy, please, scratch my back. And look, she's enjoying it right now, as you can see. Yeah, it's really interesting how uh, this conure is actually asking me to scratch her back, and you have to be gentle with her, because what happened is, as you can see, it's like it's very some she has like blood feathers, and some of them are very sensitive, and she will bite you if you do it too rough. Like right now, she's asking me, can you please rub this part, dad? And look at that. She's like, she can't really reach this part, so she's asking me, and she's wondering, look, don't stop. Okay, sorry. So now she's asking me to continue. Yeah. Okay, sorry. Yeah, when she's trying to bite, that means she's just telling me, that is too rough. Can you please be gentle? Look at that. She's like asking me to rub her. Yeah, that's the thing about conure. They really like to have a back rub or back scratch. This part on top of their head, they cannot really reach it, so you have to do this daily. Yeah, can you believe that? Is in the wild. Actually, they ask their friend in the wild, another conure, to do this on their behalf, like their family. But the thing is, if you only have one conure, um, this is what happened. They don't have anybody to help them, like pull the feather in the back of their head. Uh, so now it's I'm just gonna change hand. Yes, I know, Polly. I know. There you go. So yeah, Polly is enjoying getting a scratch right now. Yeah, don't do that. No. There you go. This is the part that they really want me to scratch right now. There you go. Yes, she's really enjoying it right now, because she can't really reach it with her, so she just like to get the back scratch, especially in the back of their head right here. It's like, there you go. See that? She can't really reach this, so they really enjoy. What is it, Polly? Are you alright? Yeah, there you go. What is it, Polly? Yeah, what? Are you alright? Do you see the camera? There, see, this part of their head is really itchy sometimes, and they just want you to scratch it. But this, be very gentle. The thing is, they will bite you if you're too rough, especially this part right here on top of their head. She can't reach it with her beak, so sometimes Tweety, my parakeet, will do the job, but sometimes Tweety doesn't want to do it. So Polly will come to me and ask me to do it. So yeah, Polly is being sweet right now. She's asking me, Dad, can you please scratch my back? Scratch the back of my head, please. She's, she just want me to do it. Look at this. This feather right here is about to fall off. In the wild, they will ask another conure to pull it, but right now I'm pulling it for her because it's really itchy. Uh, it's gonna you gonna gently tug it and start pulling it off. Don't be too hard. See, she's telling you, don't be too hard. See, some of the feather in the back of her head. She wants you to pull it. So like this one is about to fall off. Left one, so I have to kind of tug it gently. Yes, yeah, it's really neat that Conure will come to you. If you have a Conure, they will come to you and ask you, can you please scratch my back, scratch the top of my head, and this is what they ask you to do. Look at that, and they're very intelligent. If they need your help, they will ask for your help, which is really neat. They're a very intelligent creature. They don't mind to ask for help. Animal actually are very intelligent. If they need human assistance when they're in pain or they're in trouble, they will come. Like a dolphin, when they're in trouble, they actually will come. Even sea turtle, they will ask for help, which is interesting. When you think the animal don't know how to communicate. Like I saw an elephant who was shot in the head but didn't die, was looking for human help to alleviate the pain. And the same thing with Conure. This creature is very intelligent. She actually came to me just to ask me to look at this. She's really itchy right now. Yes, Polly, are you itchy? Poor you. Oh no, are you alright? Okay, it's okay. So anyway, thank you guys so much for watching our video and for subscribing to my YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please click the subscribe button. Yeah, make sure you give your Conure a lot of love and attention to keep them healthy, well, and so they have a long life. This is how you take care of them. Yeah, we don't really cage them much during the day. We let them outside their cage. We interact a lot. Yeah, my job is really hard right now. I'm not home a lot during the week. So on the weekend, I try to spend time as much as possible with them. See, a bird knows when they miss you. So right now, Paul is just asking me, please rub. An animal knows how to seek help. When they're itchy, they will come to you. This is what you have to do to your Conure. Sometimes you have to give them a back scratch. Anyway, love you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Look at that. See, Conure is very clean bird. Look. She is, look. She is cleaning her feather. Anyway, love you guys. Thank you so much again for watching. Love you. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please click subscribe. Bye.